leave in. The next spot in top 10 belongs to contestant number 10, Ning Hoi Ning Tado. Everyone, 5 down and 5 to go. The next spot belongs to contestant number 9, Serena Naurin. Ladies and gentlemen, finally.
Some few moments of silence, please, for the contestants to concentrate and write down their answers in 2 minutes. The common question for Miss Good Contest 2019 is, do you think Miss Good Beauty Contest has made Good popular and why? I repeat, do you think Miss Good Beauty Contest has made Good popular and why? Please write your answers in 2 minutes. Write down your name and your serial number. Your time starts now.
Please put your pants down. Thank you very much. Yes, we begin with contestant number 20, can you please step forward?
Yes, of course, I do think that Miss Good contests have made Miss Good popular because we, the beauty pageant, are the reason why thousands of crowds gather. And in order to make a festival popular and make known to the world, to conduct a beauty pageant is the easiest and best way. So there you go. This is contestant number 20's answer. Oh, last but not the least, contestant number 13, Laishram Cinderella Devi. Okay, and this is what she writes. Yes, Miss Good helped to empower women to bring up the light and said that there is not darkest in this world. because it brings unity and shows that we are a garden with different color to our society. Thank you and goodbye.
Alright, everyone. The first spot in the top 5 in random order belongs to contestant number 30, Lies from Cinderella Devi.
Next up, we have... Any guesses? Contestant number 11, Jinehoy Phongthai.
The next spot in the top 5 belongs to contestant number 10, Hing Hoi Ning Thado.
Okay, ladies, take a deep breath. Here goes. Contestant number 5, A.R. Mathing.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, only one spot left in the final 5. And the final spot belongs to... Alright, the final spot belongs to contestant number 6, Marlin Yenmonting. Congratulations to our final 5 Miss Code 2019. Yes, we have contestant number 13, Lies from Cinderella Devi. Contestant picked up 1 question. She picked up a question. Please listen carefully. If one wish can be granted to you, what would you wish for Manipur? Let me repeat the question. If one wish can be granted to you, what would you wish for Manipur?
It's an harmony. It's dead. Hello everyone again.
And most importantly, to the judges, my answer to this question is, I will ask to the God to fulfill, not to destroy our Manipur. Let's bring out unity, peace, harmony, and live us together. Thank you.
Thank you very much, contestant number 13. Let's see what contestant number 10 picked up. Your question is, which one would you choose? Happiness or richness? And why? Let me repeat the question for you. Which one would you choose? Happiness or richness? And why?
Thank you very much.
When you are happy, you have the ability to create yourself and the ability to create new ideas, and that's when you become rich. And I think inner beauty is what makes you most beautiful, and that is the most important thing a woman could ever have. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So your question of the evening is, would you marry a man you love? Would you marry a man you love, but against your parents' wishes? Why? Let me repeat. Would you marry a man you love, but against your parents' wishes? Why?
Thank you so much for the question. A very good evening once again, everyone. In that case, I think it is I should be the one who should be getting married. So I think if I love that person, I think my mom and my dad will just permit me, because they've been always kind to me and they sacrifice so much for me, and they always say yes because I'm their daughter. So I think they will just permit me. Thank you.
Aim in life, and what would you do to achieve it?
Hello, good evening everyone. Thank you very much for the question. As I've already mentioned, I aim to help promote women in our society in terms of equal work wage and equal right to education.
Good evening, one and all. Thank you so much for the question. I think social media is a great blessing for us, because it develops us mentally, and it develops our society, and it connects us together. Social media helps us connect with different person in different places, and then it is the most wide club that connects each and every one of us. Thank you so much.
I have this moment to announce our subtitle winners, and to do that, may I invite all our gorgeous contestants back on the stage.